Hey cutie, welcome back to my channel. I am back to teach you another challenge. This time we are doing the, I think it's called the doggy challenge by Nastya. You can see it here. It looks amazing. I think she was even like 30 weeks pregnant when she was doing this, so that's insane. I'm gonna do it while not pregnant, so let's hope I can do it. This challenge is quite easy actually. It's the same move over and over and over again, so I feel like that's a nice change from us having very hard challenges every single time. Let me check what the beginning is. I think it is up, up, right, left, down, or da 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 da. Okay, so it starts with up, up, right, left, down, up, up, right, left, down. Easy enough. We can do that. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Dee da do da do da Buddha down, up, up, and Buddha down. Now every time she does up, she also lets her booty fall, like drop. It's not a push down. She doesn't do up, down, but she does up, up. So there's kind of like a lazy drop in between, if you know what I mean. Up, up, butta, down, up, up, butta, down. That's why it looks so nice, because her booty goes up and then it kind of like reverberates. Is that the word? I don't know. Okay, wait. This is actually so much easier than I thought it was gonna be. So she does the same thing 3 times. The up, up, boom, 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 up, up, side, up, up, side, and then she does 3 bounces up, and then she repeats the whole thing, I think. We'll have to do it with music to see if that's actually true. But yeah, so the hip takes, well, now that we have time on our hands, let me explain the hip takes. I do have tutorials on that move as well, but I'll just explain it to you here as well, because we're doing it now. Hip takes start when doing like this. So you're coming, just have your legs straight, lean a little bit in your lower back, so you have your booty pointed up to the diagonal in the skies, and then you bend and bend and bend one by one. Make sure that you stretch your legs in between. So don't do bend, bend. No, bend, stretch, bend, stretch, bend, stretch. Let me show you from the back, and then you'll see that that's already the hip tick. That's how easy it is. So you're here, you go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can you tell? Boom, boom, boom. Now, the only thing you're gonna change is that instead of starting with your legs straight, you're gonna start with your legs bent, and you bend one more, and then you bring it back. Bend and bring it back. And then when you do it fast, you bring it back while you bend the other. So you don't have time to do bend, stretch, bend, stretch, bend, stretch, bend, stretch. You do bend, bend, bend. Let me show you from the back. We go bend, 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 bend. Try to not go side to side, because you're gonna lose time there. We don't have that kind of time, but let's try without the music, the whole thing. So it's up, up, right, down, up, up, right, down, up, up, right, down, up, up, and then we start again. Up, up, tap, tap. Well, you know the drill. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go up, up, down, up, up, when I went 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 down, up, up. And then she comes up and she just does a jiggle, but that's just whatever you want it to be, honey. Let's do it with music. We haven't done it with music, but I feel like this challenge is a good example of when you look at it and you see someone do it and you're like, wait, what? What are you doing? And then when you break it down and you look at it slowly and you count, all of a sudden it's quite easy. I'm saying this now, even though all the other challenges so far that I've done were so much harder than I thought they were gonna be, but I'm gonna take this win. This is a win. We're doing this one. Let's do it with the music. Let me do it one more time and then I'll talk to you while we do it because I feel like sometimes that's easier. Let's go. Right, down, up, right, left, right, down. I fucked up there, didn't I? It wasn't that easy. Now I'm thinking that I missed a bounce up. I think after that third time you do up, 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 and then you start again. But let me check. Nothing has been lost. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. Yeah, that is it. So instead of doing 3 ups, it's 4 ups. Let's do it again. Well, you see, at the end of the video now we're like, bitch, it wasn't that easy, was it? Let's go again from the start. Last time, I'm gonna talk to you while we dance. I know it's fast, just try to do it over and over again. This is the one I'm gonna talk to you. If you feel like you need to practice more, this is the one you need to watch over and over because I will be screaming at you all the way through. Let's go. There we go. Up, right, left, up, right, left, right, down, 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 up, and jiggle, We did it! I'm so proud of us. I'm so sweaty. But I hope to see you back. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments how it went. And if this was actually easier than the other 2 we've done before. I think it was, but maybe you don't think so. So let me know and I'll see you back for the next one. Bye.